In our previous video, we discussed how to find the LCM of two numbers. See the link below to see how we did that. In this example right here, we're going to be looking at how to find the LCM of three numbers. We're going to be looking at 10, 15, and 30, and also 24, 36, and 45. Let's get started. LCM of 10, 15, and 30. Take note, it's pretty much the same principle as to what we did when we did LCM of two numbers. Your aim is to divide these numbers until they become 1. You want to reduce them until they become 1. But remember, you start from the lowest number, the lowest prime number. Okay, so 2 can divide this. 2 in 10 gives us 5. 2 in 15, it cannot divide because it's going to have a remainder. So you bring down 15. 2 in 10, 2 in 30, that's going to give you 15 right there. Okay, so if you look at the next line that we have 5, 15, and 15, 2 cannot divide. 3 can divide 15, right? So the next number we're going to try will be 3. 3 in 5, it cannot divide. I bring down 5. 3 in 15, 5. 3 in 15, 5. Okay. Now we have 5, 5, 5. The next thing that can divide is going to be 5. 5 in 5 is 1. 5 in 5 is 1. 5 in 5 is 1. That means I've been able to reduce 10, 15, and 30 all to 1. That means my LCM is going to be 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So that means the LCM of 10, 15, and 30 is what? 30. Let's look at the next problem. The next problem says we should find the LCM of 24, 36, and 45, and 45. Okay, take note, you want to start with the lowest number. 2 can divide in this case. Take note, your knowledge of multiplication tables is so important. So make sure you master your multiplication tables very well. 2 in 24 is going to be 12. 2 in 36 is going to be 18. 2 in 45, it's going to have a remainder of 1. So in that case, just bring down 45. Okay, what is the next lowest number that can go? 2 can still divide because 2 in 12 is 6. 2 in 18 is 9. 2 in 45, it cannot divide. It's going to have a remainder. Therefore, I bring down 45. The next thing that can divide is 6. The next that can divide is 2 because 2 can divide 6. So I'll have 2 in 6 is going to be 3. 2 in 9, it's going to be 9. You bring down 9 because 2 cannot divide 9. It's going to have a remainder, right? So I'll bring down 9. 2 can also not divide 45. I'll bring down 45. The next thing that can divide is 3. Very good. 3 can divide 3, 1. As you can see, we have been able to reduce 24 to 1. 3 in 9 is 3. Now 3 in 45 is 15. Here we go. Okay, the next one I can divide is also 3. 3 in 1, I bring down 1 right here because that's already reduced, right? Okay, 3 in 3 is 1. 3 in 15 is 5. 5. So now if you look at the next thing that we have right here is 5. 5 can divide. This is going to be 1. Just bring it down. It's already reduced 1. And then 5 in 5 is 1. Bravo. So that means the LCM is going to be 2. Remember, you multiply these guys right here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. In that case, we're going to be having 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 3 is 72. 72 times 5 is 360. So that means that the LCM of 24, 36, and 45 is 360. Alright guys, go ahead and try to solve more problems on LCM, because as you do this, then you'll become good at it. In the next class, we are going to be looking at fractions. Alright, if you are new here, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below and click on the bell to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. See you in the next class.